Here's how to create highlights on Instagram. Start by opening the Instagram app. Tap on the plus icon at the top left next to your story and select a photo or video you want to use. Next, tap the arrow at the bottom right. You can either share it with everyone or choose to share it with just one close friend. For example, I chose The Daily Show, which doesn't follow me back, so the post stays hidden from everyone else. Once shared, you'll see an option to add to highlights. Tap on it, then select the plus icon, hit add, and just like that, it's saved to your highlights. To check that it worked, tap done, then go to your profile by selecting the icon at the bottom right. You'll see the new highlight displayed there. You can also tap on the plus icon under your profile to add old stories that have expired. Just pick the ones you want, tap next, and then add. You can change the cover photo or title of the highlight if you'd like. And that's it. You're all set. Hope this helps. If it did, please consider subscribing. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.